Hi, it's Nika from Fabulously Creative. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a project life process, and these are the cards that I have selected in my layout so far. I'm going to go ahead and get started on my title card, but this is a layout from 2016. I'm playing catch up right now. I finished my 2017 album, so I figured it would be a good time to go back and finish the 2016 album. And that little card that I cut up, this is the Sweet Life, and this floral comes from the Project Life. I think it's from the Gather core kit. Now I don't have the entire core kit. I got some of it in some Happy Mail, but I do plan to get the entire core kit because I love these florals in there. And I'm just trying to figure out like how I want to put my week on there, since it is 2 weeks. Like it wouldn't fit on that little tag. But I am enjoying like going back and finishing this album. I got so behind in 2016 that I just gave up on it, and I'm still not going to complete every week. I'm going to go back and kind of finish every other week because I don't really remember all the details. So I'm not doing a lot of journaling in these videos, and I do have a few layouts from 2016. So for the next few, I'm going to try and upload them like the next few Tuesdays. I'll be uploading a project life process, but this, like I said, this is week 23 and 24. And I'm also combining some weeks because, like I said, I don't remember all the details. So it's mainly, just getting it in the book, just getting these pictures in the book. And I don't know, I'm enjoying it because my perspective has changed. I don't know, because at first I decided to just sound like, oh, I'll just skip it. And then going back and looking at these pictures, I was like, no, I have to get these pictures in the book. And now I'm just trying to figure out which piece of glitter paper I wanted to put on the title card. My punch didn't work out, so I'm just mounting that on this. I don't know what to call it. It's not rose gold glitter paper. It's kind of like a bronze. But it came in like a glitter stack from Walmart. And it has gold, silver. Yeah, gold, silver, and then this like bronzy glitter. But it just goes so perfect with that floral pattern. And this is one of the pictures I decided like I have to go back and put these in the book, even if I don't have details to go with them. Like I don't have the whole story. And yes, there's my son in full Spider-Man costume. He has on the mask and everything, and he is sitting on his papa's head. And I'm like, I don't have the story to go with it, but he is sitting on his head, and his grandmother just sitting there watching TV like nothing is happening. So I just put like that little oh snap, that gold sticker, and I layer it on a tag, and then that little ticket, and that top word sticker just says seriously. And I think this is one of my favorite cards. That lovely card is from the September Skies core kit, and this is a picture of a planner kit from my Etsy shop when I had my Etsy shop open. And I'm just trying to figure out how to embellish it, because I think that like that picture was so pretty, it doesn't need much embellishing. And like this picture I just pulled from Instagram, so it may not have happened like the exact week, but I know it was somewhere around this time, and I'm fine with that. So I just put that little diamond and that dream big on there. And then at the bottom, I add some journaling, and I think I just added listing new kits in my Etsy shop. And that card was kind of simple, but I don't know, I just love the way it came out with like the pinks, the pink, the peaches, and that bronzy glitter. And this picture, I don't know, I have no idea like why I took this picture, what's going on. So I just embellishment, I just put that little smile piece, and I layered it over a piece of glitter. And that is it for that. And another picture, which I don't know, I guess my son just playing with his boxing gloves. And like I said, I don't remember all the details, but I still want to have these pictures in the book so I can at least look back at them. And then this card, it says favorite things right now. So I'm putting my son his favorite things to go along with that picture. And I'm trying to remember like what was his favorite things at that time. And the card has 1 through 5, but I could only think of 4. Like I could have added another favorite, but I still wanted it to be kind of accurate. So since I only had 4, I decided to cut them all out. Like just cut them out and put them on a different card. So it won't look like I didn't finish filling it out. And I actually turned it over. That paper had a nice pattern on the back that also matched. And that is just some paper I pulled from my stash. That one is not from a core kit or anything. And I'm just layering like the top piece, the title, over a little punch that I punched with from that same glitter paper. And basically I'm just going to glue like each one on here, and I'm not getting them straight. I wanted them to kind of be off center, like one's off to the left and the other one is off to the right. And I like the way it came out. Like it's not straight, but I like it. And I am just going to glue some little gold stars on randomly in different little spots. Well, one is a star and then a little heart. And I love the way that title card came out, because even though I don't remember all the details of this week, you know, I can kind of just get snapshots, you know, favorite things here and there. And here's another picture that I pulled from my Instagram. And again, I'm not sure like if this is that exact, you know, if this may have been like the week before or the week after, but I'm not making a big deal of it. I know it was, you know, around that time somewhere. And that little piece that says the time is now, that is actually from a Target dollar spot, one of those dollar sticker books, and I just mounted it on white cardstock. And this is more of just a filler, or 2 filler cards instead of journaling. And one just says do more of what makes you happy, and the other one is, I can't read it. It says something about she turned her can'ts or something into dreams and plans, something like that. And I think this is one of my favorite layouts. Oh, and a lot of those little embellishments that I'm using, like this clipboard, for example, those are from the Echo Park, the Just Be You collection. And I actually got the digital collection instead of getting it, like buying the kit. I got the digital collection so I could print everything a lot smaller, because I don't know, I buy stuff and then it winds up being too big for Project Life. So with the digital kits, you can print it as small as you want. That way it fits on these little 3x4 cards. And I felt like this card just needed a word sticker. And that sticker just says, wake up and be determined. And that wake up and be determined is from the Simple Stories, one of those mini sticker books. Oh, and I did one extra picture, so I'll just stick that one into next week's layout. So this layout is all done and in the books, and I'm just glad that I'm going back and getting these done. I didn't put enough glue on that one, so I just had to glue it. It fell off when I tried to put it in the book. But I'm just so glad that this week is done. I hope you enjoy this process, and I will see you guys next time.